Love you, he said.
You love me, you do? You draw?
No, not on the
Not
computer.
on the computer. You gonna go color on your book? Here, take your crayon. Go color on your book. Go color your book. Better pick those up before you get in trouble.
Show us your lawnmower. Where's your lawnmower? Alright, back up. Go the other way. Back up. Beep. 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 Alright, come this way. Come this way. Whoa! Getting crazy. Come this way. Come this way. Are you all done? Where's your lawnmower? Where's your lawnmower? Beep. Beep. Beep.
I got it.
Yay! Chris was waiting for an article from the library and he got it. Alright, Jackson. Say bye.
Hey, hey.
Bye.